Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 74 Midwest Bass, and as you can see, we are back in Kia Bass, formerly the Budget Bass. Yes, indeed. So this is long awaited, as everybody knows. We got new tweeters to replace the ones in the door. So finally got time and got the vehicle back so we could do it. So what we got is the tweeter, the DS18's Superdome tweeter. We got mounted in there. And as you can see, we got tape around it, which this tape is not here to secure the speaker. This tape is just here to hold it until the glue dries. Now, we're not going to take it off, worry about taking it back apart to take it off or anything like that. Just so you know, it's not held on by tape. It's actually glued in there. And this tape is just holding it in place until the glue dries. So, what we did is, as you can see, everybody that didn't tune into the previous video where we showed how to filter the tweeters, we've got the tweeter filter on there. And we've got it connected back to the original harness, which makes this now plug and play. So like I said, not too much going on. We'll get this side put back together and get the other side apart and be right back before I cover this door back up, just to show you. For anybody who thought I was playing and BS, these are still the factory mids and highs. Well, not highs, but mids, all through the car. So all those distance tests that you guys heard were with the factory setup. Yes, indeed, I'll be right. Indeed, YouTube. So fast forward to the other side, same thing. We got this one installed. So like I said before, from this side you can actually see it, the glue in there, holding it in place, waiting on it to dry. So, like I said, not too much going on YouTube, just getting this here project, part of the project, finished so we can move on to the next. Yes, indeed. So we'll fast forward, get everything plugged up, and then we'll be right back with you. Yes, indeed. So fast forward a little bit. Got everything tightened up and put back nice and neat. So we'll do a sound check of the mids and highs. No bass, just mids and highs, man. So let's get it. Low volume. Let's add a little bit of bass, man.